Server migration is finally here in Dark War Survival. If you're stuck in a dying server or surrounded by ghost shelters, this might be your best chance to escape. Welcome back to Meta Instincts. This video breaks down everything you need to know about the Season 3 migration event. How it works, the rules, who should migrate, and what every president must do to protect their state's future. Let's dive in. Migration tiers. Players are assigned a migration score based on their overall combat strength, including building, tech, hero, modified vehicle CP, etc. This score determines how many migration passes you'll need. Here's how the tiers are divided. For example, our account has a 147 million score, which places us in the regular tier. We are at the lowest tier and only need 5 passes to migrate. But stronger players in elite, advanced, or medium tiers will need more passes. Rules and costs. Every player receives 10 free migration passes, enough for regular tier players to migrate once. We can get one piece from the Alliance shop and more from bundles. Here are a few migration conditions. The president cannot migrate. You must leave your alliance first. Your watchtower must be at least level 20. You can only migrate once per event. Your shelter must not be under attack, and your trucks must be recalled. Migration quota. Every state can only accept a fixed number of migrants by tier. 1 elite, 6 advanced, 30 medium, and 120 regular. The system also tracks the migration score of the top 100 players in each state. In the future, stronger states may receive smaller quotas to balance server power. But as of now, all states have the same quotas. How migration works? The migration event is divided into 3 phases. Phase 1, preparation. You can browse through the 32 available states, but can't take action yet. These states are at a similar development stage, but some have stronger players. For example, the top player in State 58 has over 2 billion CP, while many sit below 800 million. Honestly, high spenders are crucial to win cross-state battles. Use this phase to analyze and reach out to target state presidents for invitations. Phase 2, invitation phase. Only state presidents can send invitations to players from other states. Elite, advanced, and medium players can also apply to migrate and wait for approval. However, regular tier players must wait for an invitation, they can't apply. Phase 3, free migration. This is where regular players can freely migrate to any state with an available slot. No application or invitation is needed. Elite, advanced, and medium players still need an invitation or approved application to move. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Now, the big question, should you migrate? Every server naturally dies over time. Players quit and ghost shelters fill the map. Every state needs to refill active players every season. It isn't a choice, but a must to survive the game. If your state is weak and constantly losing cross-state battles, it's time to go. Migrate to a stronger, more active state for better growth. If you can't get along with other alliances in the existing state due to drama, leaving could be a good choice. If your state has high spenders and is somewhere in the medium strength, it has the potential to power up. Although the top state will receive the most applications, it can't accept all. Some of the migrants would flow into the medium strength state. Thus, if you're in a medium strength state, better stay to strengthen the state. Retention. Retention is more crucial than recruitment. That's simple math. Let's take the medium tier quota as an example. A state can only invite a maximum of 30 medium players. However, this state could also lose up to 30 medium players to every state. That will be up to 930 medium players lost. It is crucial to unite your server, retain players, and invite more active players. Are you planning to move? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.